Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you the Kaweco Dia Black Chrome Trim Fountain Pen. I like writing with fountain pens as I write tidier with them and I'm old-fashioned like that. I used to buy my fountain pens from Lamy and one of my Lamy pens started to smudge my fingers. When my husband asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I said that I wanted a new fountain pen, but from a different company, and so this Christmas he bought me this fountain pen from Kaweco. The fountain pen came in this gorgeous presentation tin. My husband also added a bottle of ink cartridges, this leather case and a converter. The pen is easy to unscrew and has a lovely feel to it. It's a very simple and elegant design that has a nice weight to it. How does it write? I'm a lefty, which is why it's not easy to find fountain pens that work for left-handers. I like Lamy because I have no problems writing with them. As you can see here, this pen writes smoothly and I don't really find it difficult to write with it. If I would take my time and make a special effort, I could write neatly with this pen. I hope though that this quick demonstration is readable. The nib is a medium-sized nib, though to me it looks very fine. They make these pens with fine, medium and broad nibs, and I might invest in a similar pen with a broad nib. My blue Lamy has a broad nib, and I loved using it until it started to smudge. If you haven't heard about Kaweco before, don't worry, I haven't either. The history of Kaweco is briefly described in the little leaflet that came with the fountain pen. The company was founded in Heidelberg by the gentlemen Lucke and Enzlen in 1883, but in 1899 the company was taken over by Heinrich Koch and Rudolf Weber. In 1929 the company was then bought out by the gentlemen Knust, Weber and Gruber, and the Kaweco logo was born. In 1994 Kaweco was bought by the H&M Gutberet GmbH and they relaunched their famous sports series. The company is based in Nuremberg and you can find a more detailed history on their website. Kaweco pens are sold in over 40 countries. I really like this fountain pen, and I will probably buy another one later this year. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, happy writing, until next time.